Hi, it's Aidan here at Blackpool SEAT, showing you around this Leon 2 litre diesel Leopard that we've got in stock. This car comes with your SEAT lighting, daytime running lights. As I'm walking around the car, I'll show you every alloy to give you an idea of their condition. Quickly show you the boot. Got plenty of room in the boot. Got your parcel shelf for extra luggage privacy. And the seats do fold. And the 60-40 split giving you plenty of extra room. Show you the rear seats quickly. Stepping into the driver's seat, show the interior. So this car is a DSG auto, got an electronic parking brake and your brake hold, got your power outlets in the centre console here, dual zone climate control, your different driving modes which pop up on your infotainment system, got your auto stop, park assist, your hazards. Onto the infotainment system, you've got your different radio stations, got all your media sources, got your satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free audio, all your driving data. Got full link, so that's your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and your Mirror Link. Also quickly show you, this car does have an optional extra. Got a rear parking camera on this car. Onto the steering wheel, media buttons on your left hand side. On the right hand side, got your trip computer in between your speedometer. Got your cruise control on your left indicator stalk. On the right indicator stalk, you've got your wipers. While I'm on the speedometer, show you that this car is set on 55,559 miles. To the right of the steering wheel, you've got your lights dial. On the driver's door card, you've got your windows, electrically adjustable mirrors, and your child locks. This car does have ambient lighting along that line of the door card on each side. Bit hard to show you. Bit hard to show you in daylight. Quickly show you the last alloy. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. If you'd like any more information about this car, please contact the sales team. They'll provide you with a more detailed and personalised video of this car. We hope to hear from you soon.